This specimen has rewritten our understanding of both when and where baleen whales got big. This is an early baleen whale, roughly 19 million years old, and we have estimated it to be 9 meters long. And this was the biggest whale that we know of that was around during that time.
10 years ago, I was looking through the Museums Victoria collections. There, before my eyes, as I pulled open a drawer, was this fossil. The chin end, the very front end of the lower jaws of a baleen whale. When I saw this fossil, I was immediately amazed because I realized that based on where this fossil was found, on the banks of the Murray River, today high and dry, well above sea level, and because of the age of those fossils, it was from the early Miocene, that critical period in baleen whale history that we know vanishingly little about. This particular fossil needed to be analysed in detail, but there was a problem. How on earth can we tell how large the whale was that owned this fragment of lower jaw?
So we can extrapolate the total length of baleen whales based on the length of a jaw, which scales with the total length of the whale. I discovered that the very tip of the jaw also scales with body size. I measured the mandibles of 20 baleen whale specimens. Some of them were small like this, others were colossal, including the blue whale. And so we were able to predict the total length of this whale, which we concluded was roughly 9 meters long.
Now that's a far cry from the up to 30 meters that living baleen whales can reach. But 16 to 20 million years ago, this whale was a giant and was a portent of things to come. Most other fossils of baleen whales from about 16 to 20 million years ago are pretty small. They represent whales well under 8 meters in length.
Scientists used to think that whales started out small and then got big very recently, but these were mostly focused on fossils found in the Northern Hemisphere. This specimen disrupts that story. This fossil shows us that whales first got big in the Southern Hemisphere. The Southern Hemisphere was the crucible for baleen whale body size.